What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new year and lots of exciting things going to be happening on this channel. Sorry I have not uploaded in a while. It's been a couple of weeks now, but I spent the Christmas holidays in Cape Town, South Africa, where I'm originally from, with my family and friends, and had an amazing time. So yeah, sometimes it's good to just reset the batteries for a crazy year ahead. So yeah, I'm back. I've got lots of things I'm working on in the pipeline, so I'd like to take you guys on that journey with me. So last year definitely had its challenges. I learned a lot of new things. I learned some new monetization tools with incorporating ads into some of my games, and this year I'm working on a lot of cool and exciting projects, and I am really confident that it will not just take my game studio to the next level, but also the knowledge that I'll be sharing with you guys will help you take your own game studios to a level up from where they are now. So if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe so you don't miss any videos. There are a lot of interesting things coming your way, and yeah, I'm glad I'm going to be sharing this with you guys. So yeah, here's to a brand new year, and I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace out.